again viewers, welcome back again to another episode. In this video I'm going to show you how we can add a security feature on this car. Stay tuned. Let's take a look what's inside the box. And so pretty much everything that we need to get it installed. Adding a dashcam to your car is like having a black box for your daily commuter. If something goes wrong as you are driving on the public roads, you will have the footage to settle any disputes on the spot. And this unit offers a high quality 1080p quality video, capturing any events occurs on the roads or parking lot or wherever it may be, and it will definitely speed up the claim process for your car insurance. And so to install the dashcam, we have to find a suitable area which is behind the rearview mirror. There should be a spot right here for it to be mounted on. As for the rear camera, we are going to mount it right here on this spot right there. There are two options how you can wire the dashcam, and that is to use the cigarette lighter USB port. And for a cleaner look, I'm going to choose this route right here to use the hot wiring kit from the kit itself. And lastly, after you have mounted the cameras, please follow this manual and install the app so you'll be able to access it through the Wi-Fi on your phone. Now let's talk about the eyes of the system. This kit records in 1080p Full HD at 30 FPS, while some higher end models push 4K. The C200S focuses on clarity where it matters. The lens sports a wide 121-degree diagonal field of view, which is plenty to cover multiple lanes without that fisheye distortion. With this C200S kit, it has this G sensor. If it detects sudden impact or hard braking, it automatically locks that footage so it won't be overwritten while recording. This kit supports up to 256GB microSD, which is massive for the 1080p dashcam. If you want to set it and forget it security system from a brand that literally built its name on the surveillance, the Hikvision C200S is a solid budget-friendly contender. It doesn't just record your drive, it gives you a peace of mind. And that is a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it and you find it useful. And if you guys are in the market to get yourself a dashcam, I recommend you guys to go to check their website on Hikvision Dashcam Indonesia. And they have plenty more of the dashcam lineups. Thank you again guys for watching, and I will see you again on the next video. Peace.